Isaiah freezing in the pool. Oh, what a big boy to go swimming. Way to go, man. And you swim for Papa? Show Papa how you can swim? Oh man, you're a big boy. Okay, not supposed to drink the water, but that's okay. This is our gym, the hot tub. Isaiah playing in his hot tub. Go jump in the pool. Show Papa how you can jump in the pool.
I need to turn on the...
He knows exactly how to turn on the bubbles. Here, go jump in the pool. Show Papa how you can swim. 4 years old, you can swim. It's cold out there, huh? Isaiah can stand in the hot tub. You're getting big, son. Go show Papa how you can swim. Go swim in the pool. Be a big guy. Walk in the pool. That's right. Go ahead and jump in. Ooh. Go ahead and show Papa how you can swim. That's okay. Go ahead and just jump right in. Then it won't be as cold if you just jump in. Good job to swim, son. Do one more big jump so Papa can see you do a big jump in the pool.